Yadias, welcome. Okay, we discussed about the nomadic herding. Okay, sorry, we discussed about the shifting cultivation. Now you want to see about the nomadic herding. Okay, what's called nomads? Who is called nomads? Nomadic means what? They are not have any permanent place for their settlement. So they are moved from one place to another. That type of people are called nomads. Here nomadic herding. Okay, take page number 41. See there. Nomadic herding is practiced in the semi-arid and arid region of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts of India like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. In this type of farming, herdsman means those who carrying their cattle. Herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water along defined routes. Already they defined their routes. This type of movement arises in response to climatic constraints and terrains. Okay, what will happen? This arises restricted by the climate. If it is heavily rain means they are unable to move from one place to another place. So, okay, what are the animals they keep with them? Sheep, camel, yak and goats are most commonly reared. They provide milk, meat, wool, hides and other products to the herders and their families. Okay children? Yes. So, the primitive subsistence farming was classified into shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Okay children? Nomadic herding. Okay, that means the herdsmen move their animals from one place to another place. Maximum this herding taken place in the place of arid region. That means there is no more rainfall. Okay. So then next, difference between the primitive and the intensive subsistence farming. Listen. Primitive and intensive. This type of farming is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like a hoe, dog and digging sticks. Land productivity under this type of agriculture remains very low. This type of agriculture is practiced in northeast states. Then intensive subsistence. This type of farming practiced with the help of modern tools and modern inputs. Land productivity under this type of agriculture is high. That is not too high, it is high compared to primitive. This type of agriculture is practiced in northern plains. Okay children? Yeah, already I told intensive is practiced in the river valleys area. So, I hope you understand what is the subsistence farming. That is intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming. Primitive means nothing but old method. Okay children? Yes. Then commercial farming. Yes, we now came to the commercial farming. So now you want to say the world farming classified into two, subsistence farming and commercial farming. Till now we completed the subsistence farming. Now we came to the commercial farming. What is commercial farming? Commercial farmers produce their crops to sell them in the marketplace. That's called commercial farming. Okay. Commercial farm, where it is how it was taken? Commercial farming types include mixed crop and livestock farming, ranching, dairying and large scale grain production. Then it is the plantation also comes in the commercial products farming. Mainly plantation farming is a form of commercial farming, mainly practiced in less developed countries. Okay children? Yes, again you say definition for the commercial farming. Yes, take page number 41. See there. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in marketplace. The area cultivated and the amount of capital used in large. Most of the work is done by machines. That I have given for you. Yeah, listen. Commercial farming. Okay, that means crops are grown and also animals are reared for sale in the marketplace. Okay, they are not used for their own purpose. Okay, they use their own purpose also. They are grown that one in the large level. Okay, huge way. So they are in the purpose of selling. Then large land, huge amount of capital. Here I am saying land itself. Huge amount of money, that is investment, is used, and most of the work is done by machines. Okay children, most of the works are done by the machines. That commercial farming again classified into three, that is commercial grain farming, plantation and mixed farming. Okay children, yes, take your book, page number 41. Kindly underline these three sentences. See the first commercial paragraph. See the third line. Most of the work below that. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. Okay. So in that we will see first the commercial grain farming. Okay. In this way, the farming crops are grown for commercial purpose. Wheat, maize are common commercially grown grains. Okay. And also Asia, Europe, the area which was under the cultivation of commercial grain farming means Asia, Europe, North America, temperate grasslands. Okay. In these silvas, prairie, steppes, these grasslands were used for the commercial grain farming. Okay, that grasslands were cleared and they started to produce the wheat cultivation in that place. So say the grasslands in the Asia, Europe, North America are practiced the commercial farming because it have a huge acres of acres grasslands. Then sparsely populated areas. Normally that area, that grasslands was sparsely populated. There is no thickly populated. There is no more people. Okay. And severe winter. Okay. Severe winters allow only single crop can be grown. So how the cultivation is going in this area means in the time of spring. Okay, in the time of spring, what has happened? In the time of spring, the grasslands will grow very well, tall. Okay. At the time of severe winter, what's happening in that areas? Fully snowfall. So what happened to all the grass? The snow dumped. Okay, the snow dumped on the grasslands. Okay. After it, the grasses decayed. Okay, due to the severe snow, it is decayed and it turned into fertile to the soil. Again, after the autumn, that land is very fine for cultivating the wheat. Okay, so then in the spring season, what happened? Again, the grass grow very well. Okay, so in this way, the grasslands making the soil fertile. Due to the severe winter, the only one crop, any one crop, that is wheat only able to grow in this area. Okay, where the grasslands. Okay children, that they are given in your book. Okay. Mixed farming. Growing food and fodder and rearing livestock. It is practiced. Okay. See, listen, there are two crops given in the photo. You see, in the center, one type of plant is there and another one plant. You hear one area is paddy and here is maize. Okay. So, normally the people plant the end of the land is fodder for the animals. That means food for animals. That's maize or other things. Okay children. So, it is practiced in this will helpful for the to check the soil erosion also. It is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. Okay, in this area the mixed farming is practiced. Then plantation. This normally taken in the place of hilly areas. Okay. This is a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, any one crop only able to produce. That is a whole year. Okay. It is not a seasonal. Okay. The year full. Tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton are grown in this way. Plantations. Large amount of labor and capital required. The development of transport network is thus essential for farming. Okay, then yes. Difference between subsistence and commercial farming. It is practiced on small patches, subsistence. It is practiced on a large scale. Farming depends on irrigation. Irrigation facilities are available. Primitive tools are used, that means old type. Modern techniques are used. Technology. Production is low. Production is very high. No costly fertilizers are used. Chemical fertilizers are used. Family members, laborers are hired. Only cereals and other food crops are grown. Commercial crops, wheat, rice, that also can grow in the area. Commercial farming. Name the two types of farming. Subsistence farming and commercial farming. Explain how this form of cultivation is carried on. That is both subsistence and commercial. You have to see your book and give the answer. Give the characteristics of commercial farming. The commercial farming practiced in the grasslands of the areas in the large way, huge amount of capital want to use and all the works was done by machineries. Okay. Name the types of commercial farming. Commercial grain produce and plantation and mixed farming. Define mixed farming. What is the mixed farming? In mixed farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder, crops and rearing livestock. Okay. In the same land, they are using the both. It is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. Mention 4 characteristics of plantation. Plantations are type of commercial farming. Only single crops can grow in that area. That is such as coffee, tea, cotton, rubber in that way. And what major plantations taken in the tropical area. Okay children? Yes. Go through your book, read your book and give answers for me. These all the questions in your CW. Yes, if you have any doubt, kindly ask me. I am ready to explain you. Thank you children. Bye. Take care.